little segment here, Jeff and I coming at you from Sam Ash. You guys can contact me at area code 516-263-9782. Email me at jindyke54@gmail.com. You like my shirt? This is really cool. I'm a rooster fetcher. I fetch roosters. Not really. I like roosters though. I'm going to do a little theme, finish the day off here. I'm Sam Ash. I'm looking around this timpani sound, and I really fall in love with the sound of this timpani set. This is really one of my favorites. A little bit more volume. Custard pie. Taught me that. New technique. Compared to practice bit. By the way, those are just double strokes. But basically, there, it's a syncopation. Built off of the coda. So I'm adding an extra double. And I'm moving it around. Very economical. 6-4. I'm going to finish in 6.
Let me tell you, you sound fantastic.
Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, I'm just swinging. I get lucky.
I'm listening.
Are you a drummer?
I am.
I love drummers. Yeah. Why don't you play a little bit?
I'm just running in here just to take a look. I actually wanted to pick up some skins.
Oh, all right, cool.
I got the missus outside.
Yeah, all right, cool, man. You know, Ryan's not here, though. Yeah. Hey, you know what, man? Let me, I got that TV show. Gotta let anybody on. Wait a second, do this. Yeah, they always use it. You must be a really good player, I bet. I know you probably are.
A little bit.
Yeah, I mean, guys are right, because I can tell you're probably right, at least over 40, you know?
Oh, definitely,
Yeah.
definitely.
But,
At least.
yeah,
Way
yeah,
over.
Yeah, you're probably right. But yeah, I'm on the TV. You can check me out. Yeah, let me know
Hey, I
what you think.
appreciate that.
Oh yeah, let me give you my YouTube stuff too.
Okay,
Cool.
okay.
I can do that. Yeah.
Young man, I appreciate it.
Yeah, young man. Well, thanks. Yeah. So, by the way, Ryan is he's not here, but when he's here, he's the guy to talk to.
Always,
Yeah,
always,
yeah.
always.
I don't think he's actually they all left. Yeah.
You know what's
Well,
crazy?
actually, you know, you could probably get something if you.
No, I'm good. Just want to see what else they got up here.
Yeah. What kind of heads do you play on?
Oh, I like hydraulics.
You know, that's kind of a strange thing. The sound is really, really amazing, but I always had trouble with them, the rebound.
Yeah.
Because of the fact
Well, you
that
want to know
they're
something? I'm
double
using
flat.
them
Yeah.
on my bass and my toms.
Oh, the bass
But
one,
I'm
okay.
still doing my Remo, the classic heads,
Yeah.
ambassadors on the
Right,
snare.
Yeah. I always had trouble with them because of the rebound was, but you really get that fuzzy sound.
Absolutely. Oh, it's when you get it right.
Yeah. Sounds really good.
But I just hate that every time I always change my style of tuning them. You know what I mean? You get into a good feel, and then you'll
Yeah.
listen to other people. You know what I mean? Watch them on YouTube. Go, hey, that's a good way too. And they say, you know, now you're in the middle.
You know, a recording engineer showed me a trick. He said that if you want to get a fat sound on a snare drum, put your wallet on.
Okay.
I don't know about it, and then tape it.
I got
A
you.
little bit of tape, and for this,
They
it's
just
no
go
good.
around and.
Yeah, it kind of gives it like, well, it just like makes it fatter. That was, he did that, and ever since then, right, I've been doing that.
Well, like I
Put the
said,
wallet on, yeah.
you start listening to other people like, hey, that didn't sound bad, you know.
Another
But
trick
as long
is-
as it makes sense.
You know, another cool trick about it is you put a silver dollar, like a big silver dollar, inside the bass drum where the beater hits, on the
Okay,
inside.
on
And
the
it
other
gives you,
side.
it gives you like a percussive sound.
So I
Yeah,
guess
right.
you get that click at the same
Yeah,
time as
yeah,
they
you
hit.
get that pop.
Yeah,
It's a really cool sound. It's not great for the head, but,
Well, see, you seem like you in my age range.
oh, yeah,
You
yeah.
remember they
yeah,
used to
yeah.
play, they used to take the bottom and head off.
Yeah, yeah, you know.
Worst
Buddy.
thing you could have ever done.
You listen to Buddy, right?
Excuse me?
Buddy Rich?
Buddy Rich,
Yeah,
absolutely.
I listen to him when I wake up in the morning, you know, guys,
Well, I mean,
yeah.
that'll wake you.
When I was a kid, but my uncle took me to see him, God rest my uncle, he taught me, and I must have been about 14 or 15. And I'm watching him, you know, I'm going like, I can do that.
I can do
And
that.
guess what, all right, I never could do that. I still can't do that.
You
know?
want to know who's a
I'm
hell
gonna
of a
be able to do that.
percussionist? If you get a chance, unless you already know, Sammy Davis Jr.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
He's a beast.
He was amazing drum, not only that, but he could tap.
Oh,
I
well,
thought-
his drumming skill, his whole.
Yeah, he was a really good drummer. You know, one thing, when I tried tap dancing, you know, after I seen like Gregory.
All that dirty Hines in him.
I just.
With the timing.
I couldn't get my feet.
Everything's that heel toe thing.
Yeah, I couldn't get it, but I love to listen to, those guys make rhythms with their feet, you know?
Absolutely.
Jazz came from tap, you know?
It makes sense.
That's what they said, that's what Gregory
No,
said.
but if you think about it, it makes sense.
You ever see that documentary? It was with Gregory Hines, it was like on tap.
Is it Gregory Hines with the Mills Brothers and all of them?
Yeah, that whole documentary.
Yeah,
And
man.
they said that jazz came from tap. I don't know if that's true.
But if you think about it, it makes sense. Is that you or me?
You got it wrong, right? Oh, that's mine. Hey.
That's you, my friend. You take care of
Hey, it was
yourself.
good to meet you, man.
This rolling kid is a beast.
Yeah, totally. Oh, what's this? Yeah, I missed it. All right. Anyway, nice talking to that guy. And you guys could check me out at 516-263-9782 and email me at JINDYKE54. Fellow drummers unite. I love talking drums. See you guys later. Beam me up, Scotty.